April, Kartavyam, an event commemorating 75 years of the Indian Constitution was held at the University of Delhi. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar addressed the event where he said the Constitution is for the people, elected representatives are its repository. On 26 April, Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the Rojgar Mela via video conferencing and distributed more than 51,000 appointment letters to newly appointed youth in various government departments and organizations. Addressing the youth, the Prime Minister said that when the youth actively contribute to nation building, the country experiences accelerated development and earns recognition on the global stage. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched development works worth over 13,480 crore rupees on 24th April in Madhubani, Bihar on the occasion of National Panchayati Raj Day. Speaking on the occasion, the Prime Minister said that the past decade has been a decade of infrastructure development for India. He also noted that India is rapidly advancing its connectivity through infrastructure like railways, roads and airports. On 21st April, valedictory session of National Dialogue on Self-Empowerment through Inner Awakening for Security Forces personnel was held in Mount Abu, Rajasthan. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh attended the session where he said that to deal with challenges emanating from today's constantly evolving nature of warfare, soldiers must excel in the skills of combat while being equally proficient in mental stability and spiritual empowerment. On 24th April, National Zero Measles Rubella Elimination Campaign was launched on the occasion of World Immunization Week. Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare Jagat Prakash Nadda launched the campaign and released multilanguage MR-IEC materials which includes posters, radio jingles, MR elimination and official UN launch film for creating awareness in the communities. Speaking at the event, he highlighted that 332 districts in the country have reported zero measles cases and 487 districts have reported zero rubella cases during January to March 2025, which underscores the progress achieved in the goal of MR elimination. On 25th April, the Defence Research and Development Organization achieved a significant milestone in the field of hypersonic weapon technology. The Defence Research and Development Laboratory, a Hyderabad-based laboratory of DRDO, conducted long-duration active-cooled scramjet subscale combustor ground testing for over 1,000 seconds at the newly built state-of-the-art Scramjet Connect test facility at Hyderabad. Hypersonic cruise missile is a class of weapons that can travel more than 5 times the speed of sound for long duration and is powered by air-breathing engine.